2020 has been a difficult year for many,
especially in Rhondda Cynon Taf.
Sport has been significantly affected,
and it's going to be a while
before sport and physical activity
returns to normal.
During lockdown, we have seen
lots of people getting active,
and clubs and organisations
have found innovative ways
to engage with their communities.
We want to ensure
that activity levels remain high
when life gets busy again.
There are lots of reasons
to maintain a healthy lifestyle
and participate in physical activity.
Improve fitness,
increased confidence,
improved sleep,
increased energy levels,
reduce stress and anxiety,
stronger bones and muscles,
improved mood,
and a stronger immune system.
So if you want to get involved
in sport and physical activity,
or if you care about improving
the health and well-being of the community,
check out the Sport RCT page
on the Leisure for Life app,
or follow @SportRCT
on Facebook, Twitter or Instagram
for lots of support and advice.
Find trails, clubs, opportunities and activities
for all ages and abilities.
Get more active more often.